Hi, this is Hirok Das. In this video, we'll discuss about the engineering services previous year's question, and this question is from electronics device. Okay, in the year 1999. Now the question is, which one of the this question is now out of syllabus for IAS and GATE both. So you do that for your PSU's exams and other kind of interview and examination. Okay. The question is, which one of the following device is not used as the controller of a stabilizer? Okay, these four devices given: diac, track, SCR and power transistor. So at first we saw in which of these following devices does not have any controlling input. So that device will not use as a controller in stabilizer. Okay, now at first we saw the power transistor. Power transistors, if you use power MOS transistor, so power MOS transistor, it has gate as a controlling input. Okay, if we use power BJT, it is base as controlling. Now SCR, we draw the schematic here. SCR is like that. This is anode, this is cathode, and there is a gate terminal. And next, track. Okay, track is like that. Okay, this is MT1, this is MT2, main terminal 1, main terminal 2, and this is gate. Okay, now we draw diac. Diac's schematic is like that. Okay, diac schematic is like that. Okay, this is MT1 or anode 1, and this is MT2 or anode 2. Okay, so this is for DAC. Now in this four electronics device, DAC, track and SCR and power transistor. So power transistor have, if you use power MOS transistor, then it has gate, it is controlling input. Power BJT, it is base controlling input. For track it is gate, and for SCR it is gate. So these three option will not be these three option can be used as controlling input in stabilizer, controller as stabilizer. So this three option is not the correct for this question. So diac cannot be used as controller in stabilizer. So option A is the right answer for that question. Okay, thank you.